Hey guys, January 13th here. Just here in the markets watching for a potential setup. Markets have been sideways. Well, at the open we had a nice push up and then just sideways action the whole way through. We finally got an AEMA crossing the 34. So now I'm looking at this leg down here. I have a channel forming and I have my trend line drawn in. So now I'll just be watching for a setup here to go short. So my bias is we have the first leg down, we have the corrective leg, wherever it may stop, and then our continuation leg. So that is what I am looking for to set up here. I'll keep you guys updated if I get in the trade or not. Hey guys, back here real quick. I just wanted to show you guys how this trend line saved me again from jumping in too early. So you saw my resistance here at 69.25, and price just broke it by one tick. So if I had gotten in 68.50 with a 1 point stop, I would be stopped out here. So you guys know I like to do a 1 point stop, so I always try to get my entry 1 point away from one tick above the resistance line. So yeah, here I would have been stopped out. So now I'm just gonna keep watching it, and there we go, keeps going up. This trend line has saved me again. I guess to a certain point where price is getting close to the trend line, and I can then assume that we did hit a top. Like yesterday, for example, I got in before the actual break of the trend line. But I knew the probabilities were in my favor. But if you want to avoid getting stopped out, you can always wait for the confirmation of price breaking the trend line, and even more conservative would be waiting for price to break the fractal down here. So once price gets all the way back down and breaks the fractal, then you can get in. It was like the safest play, but at the same time you will be taking a bigger risk. I like to trade with a 1 point risk, so that's why I try to kind of jump the gun. And trust me, I do get stopped out a lot of times, but like I said, it's a 1 point stop, so for me that's not that bad considering a lot of times my targets are 2, 3, 5 points. So as long as the risk management, risk reward is in your favor, I don't see a problem with taking a 1 point stop. Hey guys, so I just took a short here, 69.50. As you can see, this high up here went up to 70.25. So I wanted a 1 point stop. So my stop is at 70.50. Got in at 69.50 here. And as you like I was saying earlier, I don't always wait for the trend line break. I do get in early. I do jump the gun a lot of times, and I do get stopped out. But the odds are in my favor, and my risk reward is looking really good here. 1 point stop for a potential of minimum here, 2 points, minimum. Hey guys, so as you can see in this scenario, jumping the gun, it's probably going to cost me a stop here. Haven't gotten stopped out yet, but I'm pretty sure I will be getting stopped out here, 70.50. But we'll see what happens. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that sometimes jumping the gun is not prudent, and there I am stopped out. But so I obviously don't recommend for newer traders or for anybody really to do what I do and jump the gun and try to predict where the top is. I do recommend waiting for the break of the trend line. Hey guys, so I just took another short here at 70.25. At this point, price is either gonna just break this high and reverse to the upside, and we'll probably get an 8 EMA cross up, or this downtrend with another leg down will hold. So I'm pretty much just betting on it rolling over and coming back down. I am risking 1 point on that bet. I don't know what's gonna happen. Obviously, no one does. But the point is that once you define your risk, which in this case is 1 point, and you have your targets set up, that's all you can do as a trader. You're a probability trader. I'll keep reiterating that, but just want to drill that in everybody's heads. Hey guys, just wanted to give you another update here. Price has been just going sideways. Also, what I can do here is update my trend line to this new low here, and it looks a lot cleaner here. So we'll just see what happens if we can get the breakdown. Also, the 8 EMA is still below 34, so I'm still holding on, but to be honest, it's not looking that good. I'll be a lot happier when price can close below the 8 EMA, and especially can close below this trend line I have here. So I'll just keep you updated on what happens. Hey guys, another quick update here. So as you can see, price is trying to roll over here, get down to 68.75. We're below the 8 EMA, we're below the trend line, so I'm liking this setup. Price has stalled out. As you can see, we've been going sideways for the last hour, and the volume is pretty low. It's a holiday weekend, so you could expect that. But I do have my orders to sell 3 at 68.25. So just say 1 to 2 risk reward. Then my last 2, as you can see, I have 5 contracts. My last 2, I will see if we can get the continuation and break of this fractal down here. Hey guys, we're here again. Just covered 2 at 68.25. This thing was trying to pull back up, but as you can see, next candle just ripped it right back down. 67.75. Once we break this fractal down here, I can definitely see another leg down. So I'm gonna try to cover my last 2 at 66.25, and I'll also be trying to trail it. I don't want this to go back against me. As you can see, we have not yet to break this fractal down here, so it can easily be, a double bottom and a bounce to make an uptrend. But everything is looking down so far. The 8 EMA is heading down. We're still below the 8 EMA. We broke this trend line, so at the moment everything's looking good for more downside. But I will try to protect my last 2 contracts and make sure I end this trade in profits. Alright, I'll keep you updated on what happens with my last 2 contracts. Hey guys, so last update here. I sold my last 2 at 67.25. 67.25 right here. I can still see 66.25 hitting as soon as we hit this 8 EMA. Price loves to pull back to the 8 EMA, then continue lower. But I do have to head out, and I have been in this trade quite a while, even though I have things to do. So yeah, guys. So after being down 5 points, 5 contracts on that 1 point stop, that's 5 points. On this trade, I sold 3 for 2 points, so that's 6 points, and then I sold 2 for 3 points. That's another 6 points. So on this trade, I made 12 points. Minus the 5 points that I lost, I'm up 7 points for the day. So in every single video, you're gonna keep hearing me stress the importance of risk reward, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, 1 to 3 risk reward ratios. This is why I stress it so much, because one trade makes up for that losing trade. I mean, if you guys don't understand it by now, send me emails, send me questions, join my chat room, ask questions here. As you guys can see, all my trades go up. This is where my first trade was. Alright, that's it for me today, guys. I'll be calling it a day. Have a good weekend. Take care. See you next time.